What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CHPT stock. First of all, brief information about this company. ChargePoint Holdings provides electric vehicle charging networks and charging solutions in the United States. It offers a portfolio of hardware, software and service for commercial, fleet and residential customers. And for now, their total market cap is $8.29 billion. They have a revenue of $146.49 million with a negative net income of $197.02 million. They have a total cash of $145.49 million with a total debt of $59.75 million. Their current ratio is 1.92. So, since I made my previous video, we have some news and we are on Seeking Alpha. This news was published on April the 1st and it's titled ChargePoint QuantumScape lead big gains in EV sector on green tidal wave hopes. And several bullets. The electric vehicle sector is setting up for another strong day after President Biden unveiled the $2.3 trillion infrastructure and stimulus plan that includes an investment of $174 billion in electric vehicle initiatives. The climate change and job creation component of today's plan will be very focused on incentivizing consumers in the US to purchase electric vehicles, as well as other foundational areas to catalyze investment in a clear energy economy, wind, solar, renewable energy projects, and low-emission technology, notes Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Eves. He thinks the game changers would be an expansion of the tire tax credits to $10,000 per EV and a lifting of the $200,000 per manufacturer ceiling for the credits. Investors are strolling right back into some of the EV stocks that have been beat down over the last few months. And as you can see, here is ChargePoint Holdings. It's up of 12.1% and it was on April the 1st. And let me show you some facts about this company. ChargePoint by the numbers. 7x more market share at more than 70% in network level 2 charging than the closest competitor in North America. More than 4,000 commercial and fleet customers worldwide and growing, including 62% of Fortune 50 companies. 13 plus years in business, years before you could buy a mass market EV, ChargePoint gave birth to a new way of fueling. More than 132,000 places to charge on the ChargePoint network in North America and Europe. More than 88 million chargers delivered to date and counting. Every 2 seconds or less, a driver plugs into the ChargePoint network. More than 361,000 metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions avoided to date. More than 159,000 additional places to charge, accessible with one ChargePoint account through roaming integrations with other major charging networks. And here is some more facts. They have a massive total addressable market. EVs projected to be 9.9% of new vehicles sold in 2025 and 29.2% in 2030 in the United States and Europe, compared to 2.6% in 2019. The cumulative EV charging infrastructure investment in US and Europe projected to be roughly $60 billion by 2030 and roughly $192 billion by 2040. And on top of this information, I found that on May of 2020, we had 3% of EV cars across the markets. And by 2025, we have 10%. So we have 3 times more with 5 years. And next will be in 2030 of 28%. And it is almost triple again. And by 2040, we will double this amount. And I think it is the most rapidly growing market for now. It is a EV market. And for sure, this company will be successful because they are leaders. And no matter who will win the EV race among the EV car manufacturers, this company, ChargePoint, will benefit in any way. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And hit the like button, this helps me a lot. So, let me remind you my primary count. Here was our first wave, here was our third wave, and here is the fifth wave. And these three waves implies into the structure on a greater scale right here. And let me show it to you more thoroughly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves. And from this top we have this retracement right here. And we've hit the lowest point right here at $19.5. And here we have almost the same exact price. We have only 9 cents above this lowest pivot point. And this leads us to double bottom. It is very bullish sign for the asset. And from second bottom, surge with a huge percentage and a huge volume. As you can see, from this bottom, we up for about 50%. And this volume is at least 2 times higher than any other volumes right here. And I think it's very bullish sign. And congratulations to all of you guys who add your position right here at the green rectangle. Because in the long term, this company will triple your money at least. And let me show you why I think so. We have complete these 5 waves, and this implies next level structure. Right here we have the first wave, second retracement, and for now we are on the move to our third wave. And it is the most aggressive and the most powerful wave. And according to Elliott wave theory, we can hit 1.618 level and even 2.618 levels. But for now, let's count only this as our primary target. And from our entry point to our target, we have about 231% of potential profits. And to aggressive target, we have more than 390%. But let's be conservative and have only 3x by the end of the year. So what should you do if you missed this level, this accumulation point? Let me show it to you more thoroughly. Basically, you can add your position at opening hours right here and ladder your buys down. Let me show it to you. We have this level as our previous wave, initial wave, and here is the 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, and the most probable zone of trend reversal again is 0.65 and 0.618. You can ladder your buys down along these levels, but I think we won't have a huge retracement from this point, and that's why I encourage you to enter your position at the opening hours, and then depends on price action, you can add your position on each and every pullback. And basically you can do so because of the total sentiment of the market and the total program of Mr. Joe Biden's administration. And I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell if you haven't done this before. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!